Hello and welcome back to my channel. In today's video, I'm going to show you how to make an immune boosting tea. For this tea, we need 2 tablespoons of ginger, 1 tablespoon of honey, a mug, a spoon. We also need a mixing bowl. Make use of any bowl of your choice, and a sieve to sieve, okay? I made use of this sieve that has funnel, so it will be easy for me. Ginger is a strong antioxidant that has been shown to naturally boost the immune system. It has tons of vitamins, some of which are magnesium, iron, zinc, and calcium. Ginger also helps to kill cold viruses and has been said to combat chills and fever. Honey. Honey helps to improve the digestive system and boost immunity. It is also a powerhouse of antioxidants, which are very effective for the removal of free radicals from the body. The next one is mint. Mint is also enriched with anti-inflammatory properties that help ease discomfort and pain that is often tied with flu and cold. Into your mixing bowl, add the 2 tablespoons of ginger. 2 tablespoons of ginger. This is a shredded ginger, okay? After that, add 1 cup of hot water. You might use warm water if you so wish. 1 cup of hot water, then you stir very well. Into your mug, sieve the mixture, the ginger. Sieve it into your mug so that you can separate the chaff from the ginger tea, okay? This is our ginger tea. Then going forward, we add 1 tablespoon of natural honey, organic honey. 1 tablespoon of honey, okay? Add honey that is not mixed with anything. Make sure it's organic honey. Then you mix very well. Next up, we add our mint leaves. I added about 4 to 5 leaves, okay? 4 to 5 pieces of mint leaves. All right, dear, we've come to the end of today's video. This is an immune boosting tea, okay? I hope you give it a try, especially during this period, okay? During this pandemic. Alright loves, if you love this video, give it a thumbs up and see you in my next video. Remain blessed.